Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Paula Empty Nester Creations here. So today I'm going to use this wooden cutting board along with this blank cutout that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and we are just going to make a little sign. I'm going to use ink Waverly chalk paint as well as crimson Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to be using a white Sharpie paint pen. Um, I think I also use regular white paint as well. And I'm going to use a brown acrylic and a glossy green acrylic as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the cutting board from its plastic, and I'm literally going to give it a very light wash of the brown acrylic paint using a makeup sponge, and then I'm going to wipe it off. In essence, I'm really doing like a stain type method to it. And that's just because I want a deeper brown color than what the cutting board is. So at the end, I did want to point out that I did give the cutting board a light sanding as well, just to make sure that you know what I was doing at the end of that piece. So now I'm just going to simply take my little truck and paint it using the green, the crimson, which is the red, and then the black and a little bit of the white. Now you can paint this whatever color you want. I kind of wanted to keep it the little red truck traditional color. So now that the base layer of my little red truck is dry, I'm just going to take some sandpaper and sand it a little bit just to give it more of a rustic look. And then I'm just going to finish it off by adding the details to the truck. I'm going to add a little bit of snow. I'm going to add a little bit of white to the wheels to make them look like wheels. And then I'm also going to paint the back of the Christmas tree as well as the front and the back of the truck in the back part of it, because it protrudes from the wooden cutting board. So I just want to make sure that if you see it from the back that it is painted as well, and it's not that blank slate. Guys, I have no paint gene in my body, but look how nice this turned out. I absolutely love how it turned out. Okay, so now I'm going to take my cutting board and I'm simply going to place the truck on the cutting board, and you can see a little bit that it overlaps and overhangs, and this is where I had mentioned that I was painting a little bit of the sides. I had already painted the Christmas tree, and I'm painting just a little bit of the sides to make sure that excuse me, it doesn't show from the back. Once I'm done painting that and it dries, then I'm just going to simply take some hot glue and hot glue my truck onto my cutting board. Look how cute this turned out. I just absolutely love how it turned out. It's very farmhouse to me. If you want, you can also add a jute twine so that you can hang it that way, or a sawtooth hanger in the back so that you can hang it that way as well. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Thanks all.